NASA launches students' experiment to the space on a suborbital rocket. 40 university student experiments were successfully launched Friday, June 25 aboard a NASA suborbital sounding rocket from the Wallops facility in Virginia. The launch conducted at 8:32 a.m. EDT is part of the RockOn and RockSat-C programs designed for students to learn and apply skills in building experiments for suborbital space flight. Participants in RockOn receive instruction on the basics required to develop a scientific payload or flight on a suborbital rocket. After learning the basics in RockOn, students may then participate in RockSat-C, where during the school year they design and build a more complicated experiment. Conducted with Colorado and Virginia Space Grant Consortia, RockOn is its 13th year and RockSat-C its 12th year. The 39-foot tall rocket carried 32 experiments measuring acceleration, humidity, pressure, temperature, and radiation counts from the RockOn program and 8 experiments in the RockSat-C program. Launched aboard a two-stage Terrier improved Orient rocket, the experiments flew to an altitude of 72 miles and were recovered from Atlantic Ocean. After recovery, the experiments will be returned to the students. The next launch from Wallops is the Dynamo's wind and electric fields in the daytime lower ionosphere mission or Dynamo 2. This mission includes the launch of two NASA Black Brand 9 sounding rockets which will happen between July 6th and July 20.
And we had a good launch this morning of the Terrier improved Orion sounding rocket carrying the RockOn RockSat-C payloads from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. Launch time was 8:32 a.m. Eastern Time. The rocket is currently payload is still flying. It will reach apogee at about the 8:35 mark. Then it will descend by parachute. With deployment of the parachute is about 2.8 miles altitude, and it will land in the ocean where the payloads will be recovered. The experiments will be brought back here to Wallops, cleaned up, and then the Colorado Space Grant Consortium will ship those experiments back out to the students for them to do analysis and look at their experiments to see how they performed and possibly for the next time around improve on their designs. So that concludes today's mission from Wallops. Next launch from here at Wallops. Again, window opens on July 6th, runs through the 20th of July. There'll be two sounding rockets as part of the mission, Dynamo 2. And those rockets will be launched on separate days with different windows. So just follow us on the Wallops website and also on our Facebook and Twitter sites for further information on those launches. And for those who are following on, we will now be joining the International Space Station and the spacewalks occurring there. Thank you and have a good day.